All right, so let's do a quick walk around. We got the roof tacked up tonight. Got a lot of clamps holding everything together. Oh. This side gave us a significant amount of trouble. So I'm gonna put some cuts in here, pound it in, see what we can't do. But overall, I mean, being my first time chopping a roof, I think I honestly picked the hardest truck to do a roof chop on. With all the curvature this roof has, it does not make it very easy to do. But I think when it's done, I think she'll look all right. Yeah, I like the way it looks. Looks like the windshield's, I think, about 10 inches. That's what we measured, 9 3/4 or so. Looks pretty mean. The fun part of cleaning my garage. So I can get the truck shoved back over there, get my Jeep back there in here, so I don't leave that thing outside. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's gonna look pretty rad when it's done. But adios.